All right, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host, Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I have another makeup video for you guys here. I'm doing this look here to match my shirt I'm going to be wearing later today. And of course, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette for this look. This is day 2 of my makeup adventure. I'm going to start it with tape, as per usual. As I pull it off the roll here, put it in place from my corner of my eye up towards my eyebrow, press it in very, very well. And now I'm going to use this, focus, it's not focusing, focus, nope, focus, this unique Moonstruck Eye Primer. Going to prime my eyelids with that. I'm just going to, oh, look at that bulge in the tape there. I'm gonna fix that. Make sure that's down good. There we go. Okay, so I'm just dabbing that all over my lid, and I will use my finger to rub it in so that my lid is nice and tacky for the eyeshadows. There we go. Focus. There we go. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I am here trying to open it. There we go. The magnets are very strong. Oh, by the way, Skip did not stain my eyelids, so awesome. And so now I'm going to go in, if I can find it, with this flat packer brush. I'm going into the shade B, which is the yellow, and I'm going to pack that on just my lid in the inner corner. I'm kind of going for like an autumny, warm autumn color look today. So just the packer brush, I'm just packing that in about 1/3 over just my lid, as you can see here. And I'm going to blow the shadow off the brush. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Rusted, which is a burnt orangey red color. And I will be packing that on the center of the lid, as well as blending it into B. Just doing lots of patting motions just to pack the color on there. Just like so. And then I'm going to switch to a medium fluffy brush. On one side, I'm going to use it to just blend those two colors ever so slightly. Just like that. And then I'm going to use the other side of the brush. And I'm going into shade Mary. And I'm putting that over the upper crease area. I'm going to use that as my transition blending color. And I'm just sweeping that onto the lid. You guys can see there how my skin kind of wrinkles, makes it look a little weird, almost like stripey. But that's okay. Just like so. And now I'm going to take this fat pencil brush and go into Spooky. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my lid. And also lightly dragging it into the crease. Just like so. And now I'm going to take a smaller brush again and go in with Mary. And blend that out so that it becomes smoky. I'm going to go back in with the pencil brush again to bring more of that black into the crease. Swish, swish. And now noticing they don't match, I'm going to use some more of Mary and blend that out in the inner corner to kind of smoke it out a little bit. Just like that. All right. Peekaboo. All right, now I'm going to take this small brush and going into the shade Sister. I love saying that. Sister. It's a light shimmery pink, and I'm going to use that to highlight under my brow. And oh my god, I got something in my eyeball. A little black something went in my eye. Ow, ow. It's like right in there, and I'm trying to get it. Oh, it's trapped in there. It hurt so much trying to blink to get it to go out. I was dying. I could see it, but I couldn't get it. Oh gosh. It's right in there. Stick my finger in my eyeball. Oh. Trying not to mess up my makeup while getting it. Oh, and it was on my eyelid there, and I got it, I think. Nope, I got it now. Trying to show you that little black speck on my finger. Oh my gosh. And then I just bumped to my elbow. So continuing with that brush and sister, and highlighting my brow bone. And you can see I get a little bit of fallout that landed on my lashes there. I just blend that into the brow bone as well as down into Mary a little bit. Just like that. Okay. Now just blowing that off my lashes. And now I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush and I'm going to take Spooky at its full intensity. And again, like my last look, I'm going to be using this as my winged eyeliner. I'm going to start from the edge of where I kind of smoked out the original black that I applied. And I'm going to give myself a little winged look and line my top lash line. I love this black. It's so great. You almost don't even need like a liquid liner or anything like that. And just like that. So now I'm going to peel the tape. Just like that. Inhale. I'm so happy with that. So now I'm going to take this flat pencil brush and I'm going to go into the shade Wig, which is a flaky metallic gold. And I'm just going to add some color under, or what is this part of the eye? Lower waterline, kind of smoking it out with this gold color for just a little pop of color. Just like so. And now, to finish it off, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Intensa Mascara, if it'll focus. Focus. There we go. I'm going to apply that to my lashes, and then of course I'm going to poke myself in the eyeball. Or at least I hope I don't. And just like so. This is a much more bolder look. What do we think? Did we like it? Did I do okay? I hope you all enjoy it, and I'm going to pull my hair down, give it a little brush out. It always looks better when the hair's down. How did I do? Leave some comments down below. So there we go. I really like it. Make sure you guys like up this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I post every few days. You follow me on Instagram at bc_jazzy_time or on Twitter at nailsby. Anywho, I hope you guys stay tuned and stay jazzy.